There's implicit in Smith's account of industrialization in The Wealth of Nations a justification for the division of labor in his argument that it produces a general plenty, a universal opulence that extends itself to the lowest members of society. Now, Smith doesn't express in a lengthy or articulated fashion why he thinks this justifies the economic order that he sees around him. Wealth is good, and wealth extends to more people. He assumes this is therefore good. But let's think more profoundly and critically about whether Smith's argument for a general plenty and a universal opulence satisfies the problem of distributive justice. Imagine an economic arrangement of 10 people in which they have a certain distribution of income. Say they make $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, up to $10 a year each in this economy, this world. And it's a very primitive world. They're very poor people. Now imagine that there's some transformation and that in this new world, there is now, instead of a certain level of production, there's a much higher level, say $1,000. But that the way this is distributed is that the lowest member of society moves from $1 to $2. The second lowest member moves from $2 to $3, all the way up through 9. They all make $1 more. But the 10th person, the highest, the wealthiest person, now makes, say, $950. So his ratio goes up massively. Now, for Smith, if we take the hints in The Wealth of Nations to be an argument about distributive justice, this is, on balance, good, because in the second social order, everyone is wealthier, even the lowest member. But is it just? Does it meet the conditions of distributive justice, that the finite goods, like property, are distributed on a basis of some desert, some kind of merit? What would it take? What would be the conditions about that transformation that would satisfy us that even the second order wasn't just better than the first, but was somehow a just social order?